मैं गुलशर साहब के पीछे जाता हूँ, आप थोड़ा बिठा आगे ले जाओ और उधर रोक लो।
कैप्टन गुलशेर, नायक बशीर और 6 जवान, they've all gone.
भाभी, आपको तो पता है हमारे इंजीनियर्स वहाँ सड़कें वगैरह भी बना रहे हैं। इस सिलसिले में ऑब्वियसली उन्हें पहाड़ वगैरह भी तोड़ने पड़ते हैं, एक्सप्लोसिव्स भी यूज़ करते हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब कैप्टन गुलशेर वगैरह उस पीटीआर में पेट्रोलिंग के लिए निकले, इट वाज लोडेड विद एक्सप्लोसिव्स।
How many were there in it?
सर, कैप्टन गुलशेर मिलाकर 8 लोग थे, किसी का भी कुछ नहीं बचा।
इसका मतलब है बॉडीज आइडेंटिफाई होने की पोजीशन में भी नहीं है।
बॉडीज़ का तो सवाल ही नहीं।
Excuse me, can you tell me which part of Bosnia is this? Look here, nurse. Please ask someone whether they have informed the UN office about me or not.
Pacjent pita mnogo pitanja.
1 minute, please. Do you understand English?
A little.
Okay, look. You people can't do all this to me. I'm a representative of United Nations. First you fired at me, and then you are keeping me here as a prisoner. On what account?
I'm sorry, Captain, but I don't know about all this. If there is anything that I can help you, please say it.
Okay, I want that the unit quarters and my unit should be informed about my whereabouts.
Okay. please write down your particulars. I'm going to make it sure that's done. I will see you in evening.
Thank you.
Yes, it is true.
Da, tačno je.
Bosnian Muslims expect us to give them arms and ammunition,
Bosanski muslimani su očekivali da im damo naoružanje i municiju.
but we have not done so.
Ali mi tako nismo radili.
Number one, we are here as part of UN forces to keep peace and not to take sides. And number two, if any one of us does want to do it, it is not possible because each and everything that we bring from our country is listed and the proper record is maintained here at the UN office.
Ispravna dokumentacija se drži u kancelarijama Ujedinjenih nacija.
Ne verujem ti.
I don't believe you.
Well,
Znamo da ste to radili.
We know that you were doing it,
Samo ne možemo dokazati.
but we cannot prove it.
Sad ćeš nam dati napismeno kako i koliko ste dali.
Now you will give me in written how and how much,
I to će nam biti pismeni dokaz.
and that will be our proof.
okay, and you have to wait for the rest of my life to take some writing.
U redu. Onda ćete morati do kraja mog života čekati na to pisani dokument.
Čekat ćemo cijeli tvoj život.
We will wait till end of your life.
Ajdemo. Još jedna stvar.
But one more thing.
Nemoj grešiti u očekivanju bilo kakve pomoći od UN-a. Niko ne zna da si živ.
Don't be mistaken expecting any help from the UN. Nobody knows that you are alive.